here. I stopped by at the pharmacy, and would you look at that, man. I started digging, and I found a few of them. I'm just gonna try to find the Zamacs and hopefully the treasure hunts. But this is an E-case, so we're gonna start digging here, man. I'm gonna start digging here, and that's a little trick I use. I put it in the middle, and then I just get to work. And then from my old video, I had found this one before, so I got like 4 or 5 of these things now, man. They're gonna add up quick if I pick up any more, you know. It's gonna be like, before you know it, instead of 94 cents, it's gonna be $94. But yeah, you guys already know what the E-case has. So if you they just started putting these out today, I think. So if you missed it, man, definitely check out your stores, because Sam checked this store last night, he said, and they didn't have it here. So I'm guessing they put it out this morning. That's what I'm saying. But most of these I already got. Hopefully they threw a F case somewhere in here, or a G or a H, KLMNOP case, you know what I'm saying? That's a cool one. I'm trying to go neatly, but it's kind of hard with one hand, you know. Yeah, there you go. Little turbo, little gold emblem, or it looks gold on the card, but it's like green, like a green gold on the casting. I don't know. Anyway, see if you guys, let's see how many 300s we could find, man. Yeah. Oh, by the way, I'm not gonna take all this, man. So for all you noobs that watch and don't watch till the end, I'm only gonna take this up here. I just use the cart to you know, dump it out in a neat way. Whatever. Anyway, nothing really crazy there. This one's cool. The color's a little boring, but it's a Volkswagen. Kind of look like a Porsche in the back, you know. I don't know. It's pretty neat. I guess it's neat. I don't know. But so far we got 3 of those, man. Here's another Zamac Mustang, which, I mean, it's alright, I guess, but I got one. I'm gonna leave those behind. Some more of those. What happened? Here's a 32 Ford. A lot of people are after that one. So this is really trippy how they brought out an E-case again. I don't know. Hopefully it's a super. I mean, here it is. I mean, this is not the super, but the Zamac kafer racer. Yeah. Look at this, man. Look at this. These Mustangs are just ridiculous, man. Look at that. Another one. Jeez. But I don't like. Another one. And another one. And another one. See, this is oh, this is a 2018. There's a Corvette, SP2. Porsche. Oh snap, man. Look at that. A third. So again, I'm not taking all this. I'm just taking these 4 or 5 right here. I just want to show you guys because it's pretty fresh, you know. So I just want to show you what's in a fairly fresh dump bin. I don't know, some people appreciate it, like, you know. So that's why I do it. I suppose. And then look at this, man. Look at that TV Batmobile. A lot of people were after this one, man, but not me. We're gonna hang that one there. Remember, I like marking my territory sometimes, you know. Yeah. The bone shaker, this is the one I saw in San Diego Target right here. So if you guys haven't seen that San Diego video, man, go check it out in the channel. I only pick up like four cars though, but it's pretty cool. I throw some like extra footage in there or whatever, you know, for the kids. Look at that, another. So that makes it 4. That's good enough for me right there, man. Yeah, I wonder why they threw more Mustangs in this bin than they did the Volkses. The muscle bound kind of looked like, doesn't look like a fantasy, it looked like a real car kind of. I don't know, I think it's pretty sweet. Look at that, another Mustang. You guys keeping track of how many Mustangs there is in this? There's more Mustangs than there is 300s. But yeah, this is in Arizona. I'm not hunting, and I came back from California. So, oh snap! No! Yeah, another Zamac. Let me give you guys an up close on this. I don't know why they threw so many in there, man. I don't know. I mean, it's okay, but oh look, that'd be so crazy if I found a super on this. Hopefully, I find a super. And then look, why is there a T2? If I find a super for the T2, man, I'm gonna go like crazy. There's 2 Batmans and a T2. I already got those, so if you guys see that I'm not grabbing it, that's why. Oh, another hot one. Starman, which I already got. Another Volkswagen. We can save somebody the digging right here. That's what that's what that is called. And then look, this one's like everyone's going after that too, man. So there it is. Let's save somebody the digging, you know. Look at that, another Zamac. But that's it. So I'm gonna put all this back, go through these 2 off camera, and then show you guys the haul at the end. All right, so I'm halfway I'm halfway into this, and dang, man, look at that, the treasure. So I got 2 of them, man. So I think for the rest of it, I'm gonna keep recording it, because I know if I come across that super, nobody's gonna believe me, man. And it's better to get it on camera, you know. And then we got the super for this and one of the other videos too. So check that out. D-Case, Volkswagen T2. Look at that, 2 Starmans. So we're just gonna see how I put this one all back, all the hot stuff on the top. You know, that's how you do it, man. There's another. Do you guys see that? Do you guys see that? What I'm about to pull out, man? Let's see. Let's see. Oh no, it's not a super. Save somebody some trouble. Oh man, dude. I got kind of happy for a minute. Oh, dude, this is what gives my hopes up right here. I keep seeing that little monkey, man. Oh, what? But no. And then the TH for the Super on this would be on this side right here. And then the logo on the card. That's how you could tell them apart. I was confused at first when I found my first one. Yeah. And these bottom ones, I guess I could just leave them down there. With all the fantasy ones on the bottom. Just put the good ones on this side, man. You know, save somebody. Because most people are going to be after those right there, man. And they're just going to end up damaging all the cards. You know what I'm saying? They're not going to do this neat of a job. Alright, so I just put everything back. All the gold on this side. And then my haul. So let's see what we can get on camera. Look at that. Sounds alright. I've seen some videos where they do like the stop animation. And they have a bunch of these, like, you know, like a pursuit. And I'm pretty hopeful because why would there be the Honda monkeys if it was hunted already? You know what I'm saying? Oh man, this is hard to do with one hand. We got another Volkswagen. I guess a Cadillac is gonna be pretty sought after. There you go, that's a fancy word for you guys. Sought after. Yeah, talking about we don't speak English or proper English. There you go. Bet you don't know what that means. No, I'm just kidding. Oh yeah, and I don't know if I mentioned it before, but the original one from last year or whatever, without the Starman, the Tesla Roadster without the Starman, it's gonna have like some fun facts in the back right here. Instead of this card, it'll have a different card. And it won't have the little astronaut dude. Yeah, they think they put it out this morning, man. Here's a good one. There you go.
Finding supers anywhere?
No, just the little motorcycles.
Oh.
But I don't think I'm gonna take them all, man.
Got
So. You got it already?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna put them aside to make a little video. Yeah. Oh damn! I got excited for a second. This is the Super for this case.
Oh, I know. Yeah, I know. There's a whole here too.
And then this one is the red edition at Target. So if you guys go to Target, check this one out. But it's gonna be red. Damn. So no Super. Alright, I'm gonna put this all back.
Yeah, usually they're a little bit behind. So.
Yeah. So this is what I found. 3 of the monkeys. And then 4 of the Volkswagen. And then a bunch of the Mustangs. I'm gonna take one more DeLorean, but it's not the treasure one. So that's it. And then leave a few up here. You know, little monkeys, man, they can grab them or something. Alright guys, watch the next video too.